Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate auto captions on video, guys, just like this. Really easy and simple without any work. For example, let me show you a sample.
As in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a link.
You can easily change these presets. Okay, you can come and choose any preset you want right here. For example, this one. And let me play this.
Chart from a Microsoft Excel.
You can literally keep changing, guys. You can choose any different preset you want. You can go ahead and change more settings. If you want, you can change the font, the highlight color. You can change the animation, the shadow. You can add a shadow. You can add spacing. Anything you can think of, guys. You can also create your own custom presets. And I'm going to show you what tool we're going to be using. So this tool, let me go to the home page first, okay? Now this tool is called Clipmagic. You can go ahead and get this tool online. It's actually free to get it. Also, there's also a pro version if you want. Let me show you what they have in the pro version. So pro version, you can make unlimited exports, unlimited duration. Now if you compare this with other tools, guys, for example Subtmagic, that basically does the same thing, it's actually way cheaper. And guys, even if you're trying to use a freelancer is going to charge you at least $10 a minute. Okay, for shorts videos or even long form videos where you're adding caption and other effects. Let me show you what other kinds of effects this one can do. Now look here, guys. It can add you automatic captions. I showed you just this. Visual effects, you can add visual effects. I'm going to show you this later on. You can choose viral templates, also show you this. You can do call to actions. For example, you want someone to buy a product from you. AI optimized hooks and tags. And of course, you can go ahead and publish the video that way, and it's really easy and simple. For example, if you want to add emojis to this, let me open up this project again. Really easy and simple. Come here to captions, and right here, guys, we can click on the magic emojis. And of course, guys, you can come here, scroll down, look at all the text, and you can come and edit the text as well if you think there's any mistake made, but usually it's pretty accurate. So come here, click on magic emojis, and it's going to start generating some emojis within like 10 seconds. There you go, guys. As you can see, it has now added emojis. Let me show you. Let me play the video and show you. So here you can check all the emojis added on each one. You can also add your custom emojis. For example, here there's a chart. You can go ahead and add your own emojis if you'd like. So let me play the video and show you how it's going to look.
As in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a linked chart from a Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word.
That is pretty clean, guys. The emojis are also moving. These things are really good, guys. It basically keeps a very high audience retention for you. And of course, you can come here and choose from some of these templates right here, change your video style to make your video look more appealing, and set some branding to it, make it look more unique. You can of course change the formatting if you want to do shorts. You can do that as well. Look at that. It really automatically
Actually, really
did
easy
that.
and simple.
Really easy and simple. You can go ahead and choose these for shorts as well. You can add call to actions. You can add music. They have a bunch of music in the library, royalty free, of course. You can of course optimize. You can add a magic hook title, descriptions, tags, branding, watermark, many things, guys. And of course, you can go ahead and publish this video as well, and you can start rendering it. It's really that easy and simple. Come here and save the video. So of course, guys, you can go ahead and check out the link in the description if you want access to this tool. It is only $12 a month. Go ahead, guys, check out the link in the description. It's way cheaper than hiring a freelancer. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.